Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious brownies without brown sugar. You can easily substitute white granulated sugar for brown sugar in most brownie recipes. To achieve a similar flavor and moisture, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of molasses for every cup of white sugar you use. This simple swap will still yield fantastic results, though the texture might be a bit chewier or crispier than with brown sugar. When using white sugar, your brownies might have a crispier crust and a slightly denser texture compared to those made with brown sugar. Brown sugar's molasses content adds moisture, contributing to a softer, chewier brownie. To help compensate for this, you might consider adding an extra egg yolk to your batter. This can enhance the richness and contribute to a more desirable chewy texture in your finished brownies. Brown sugar gets its distinctive flavor from molasses. To replicate this, add 1 tablespoon of molasses for every cup of white granulated sugar to achieve a light brown sugar flavor. For a darker, richer taste, use 2 tablespoons of molasses. Don't forget to include vanilla extract and a pinch of salt in your recipe, as these ingredients are crucial for enhancing the deep chocolate notes in your brownies. When baking your brownies, stick to the temperature indicated in your original recipe. However, because white sugar can affect baking time, start checking for doneness a few minutes earlier than usual. Look for edges that are set and a center that still has a slight wobble. For the best texture and cleanest cuts, allow your brownies to cool completely in the pan before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.